Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you another folio that I made. Now I did make this a couple of months ago, but I'm just getting around to filming it now. I had thought I would make another one and be able to use this one kind of as like a reference, but at this point it's just taking up space and I haven't gotten around to making another one because it does take quite some time. But let me show you guys the collection that I used and then I'll go through the folio. So I used this collection called Wild Love by Photo Play. My babe got this one for me, and he was like, I know it's not your style, but maybe you could create something with it. And that's exactly what I did. I don't like paper going to waste, whether it's my style or not. I like to also challenge myself and create what I can, and it actually turned out really cute. So I'm really happy that I did give it a try and not like dismiss it. So I'm gonna show you guys all the scraps I had left. So this was a collection kit, okay? I pretty much used the whole entire collection. This is all I have left, okay? So 12 double-sided sheets is what I had and is what I used. These are the only little bits that I have left, okay? So I used up this whole entire collection, and I think this was also the first time I was playing with Photo Play, which was amazing. Oh, and there's the Scrappy too. But I pretty much used all of the collection, and I also used pretty much almost all of the stickers. I'm still gonna hold on to this one because I could still mix and match this with something else, but I pretty much used all of the stickers in this folio as well. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, oh wait, look, there's a couple more scraps, but I mean, this is so little, guys. I pretty much used the whole thing. Whatever bigger scraps I had at the end, I made this card, and this is just gonna be like my little thank you card to whoever wants to buy this. And this is for sale. So if you are interested, just click on the link down below. You can check the description box, see if it's still for sale at the time you're watching this video, but it will be for sale. Okay, so this folio is fairly large. I will give you measurements. It is about 9 inches by 7.5, and it's like a double folio. Do you guys see that? So the spine is 1 3/4, I think, or maybe it's 1.5. I don't exactly know, because once you add paper, it just becomes a little different. I did follow a tutorial kind of for this, but I made this months ago, so I can't remember. I know the first video I saw was from Tiffany, and she is Let's Get Scrappy. That's actually like the first video I saw of hers, and then I subscribed to her right after. But she did a fall themed one, and you guys know I love everything fall. So she did a fall themed one. I watched that video. She had linked another video by Chibi, who is the original kind of designer of something like this. But guys, I still ended up modifying this because I made mistakes along the way. So I ended up modifying this, but then I think I followed a tutorial from my sister Scrapper. So I'm gonna try and have everybody linked down below. I don't know which tutorial is what. I have no idea what it's called. So I can't even like link the actual tutorial for you guys, but I will link the channels because I know there was like 3 channels that I kind of referenced to make this. It took a lot of time, guys, to figure this out. Anyway, so this is my cover. I did some stitching on the front cover. I have some cut aparts and some stickers. It says Our Love is Fierce. It says XO. This is the side, the back, and this is the other side. It's got some gold glitter. So when you open this up, it looks like this. You could add in like a photo here. I wouldn't add in anything over the magnets. There is a magnet right here. I wouldn't add anything there, but you could add a photo right here. I'm going to do one at a time because both of these do open up, but I'm going to show you guys one side at a time because This takes up a lot of space. So here I have a double pocket. I believe this was part of the tutorial. And I have 2 inserts with little tabs up on top, and you could see I decorated with stickers. I was really trying to use up the whole entire collection, and I did. So those are the 2 inserts that just live in this top pocket here. Then this bottom pocket, I just have this insert, and it says let's get together. Isn't it so cute? And that's a little journal card, and I have it hanging over because I think that just looks really cute. And I decorated with a little heart balloon right here. Then here, this is a tuck spot, so you could always add in something behind that, as you could see. So you could add in something behind that, like a photo. So that's a little tuck spot. This does have an insert that pulls out, and this also flips open. And I think these are 4x6 photos. I think those photo mats were 4x6 photos as well. Yeah, this is 4x6. So you could fit 4x6 photos on here, and it's just really cute, and that just lives in that first flap right here. Okie dokie. So that lives in there. Then that flips open here. This is not a tuck spot, this is stuck down, but you could add another photo here. And then here I have these inserts. So let me put this one back, hold on. Okay, so these come out. You have this journal card that says Wild Love. You have this one that says I'm kind of crazy about you. And this one opens up. And then you have this one that just says Love. And then these are 2 flaps, so once you take those out, you could open that. You could add another photo here. You could add something else over here. But these flaps are also pockets. Now, this I did differently. This was not in the tutorial. I kind of just did this on my own. What was in the tutorial is, or I guess something like this, but, or maybe it was something like this, that she had 2 kind of flip out ones, but I tried to do that and I couldn't figure it out, so I ended up doing something different with those pieces. But this already just looks different than the tutorial. She had like 2 like standalone flip out page kind of things. Here you could put something in here. You could add photos or whatever. It is a pocket. I just don't have any more paper from this collection to do anything, but you could add photos. So then that flips open to the left rather, and you could add another photo back here. And then here you have a pocket, and inside of there I have this journal, and I just used regular like printer paper in here. And this is a cute little journal that I decorated with some stickers, and I left them open as little tuck spots. I have a doily in here as well. These are open for tuck spots. These other little pieces, like scraps that I used in here. It says love you very much. Then here's a little journal card in a pocket. Got some more pages. It says EXO. Got another one of those. It's just really cute, guys. So you could do some journaling here. You could stick down photos. I would make sure to test out your pen though ahead of time, just so that there's no bleeding if you are going to be using this, because this is printer paper. I wanted to be able to add in a lot of pages in here, so I couldn't have anything be too thick, because otherwise it wouldn't have fit in there. So this is just like printer copy paper. Okay, so that's a little journal that I made, and it says love, I'm crazy for you, and it's really cute. Okay, so that is the whole left side of that folio. Now the other side opens up like this. I'm trying to show you guys. It's so hard. So that opens up like this. Here I have some clear photo sleeves. This is part of the tutorial on how to like do this clear photo sleeve thing, the little mechanism for it. So I have these little cut aparts in here. I have some here, and then you could also add in photos. You could take out the cut aparts. These here, that one says wild about you and wild at heart, crushing, and then there's 2 more blank ones that you could add your photos into. And then this was not part of the tutorial, but I made a cute little envelope. And this is magnetized and it opens up like this. So then you could add another photo here. This is not a tuck spot, so that's glued down. Here I have a waterfall, but I made it to like snap into place, and I made it with like a mechanism where you could kind of turn this so you could have your photos be portrait or landscape. And I believe this also fits 4x6 photos, or maybe 4x5, but let me just double check. No, it's 4x6 photos. So you'll be able to fit 4x6 photos on here, and you could turn it either way. And this is also magnetized there also. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kind of flip ups, and it depends if you're adding photos here and here. So depending on that, you'll be able to add in a ton of photos, and then you could also add in a photo back here once you have that open. So then that just snaps back into place. So I followed the tutorial but didn't follow the tutorial, so you guys could, you know, recreate it if you choose, but I'm just gonna share with you. I'm gonna link you guys the ladies that had videos of this kind of folio. But yeah, that is my project share using the Wild Love collection by Photoplay. I was so happy I was able to use up the whole entire collection kit on this. Like, I like projects where I could use up the whole entire thing. It just makes me so happy when I barely have any scraps left over and I just get to, like, it's like a one project done and I get to write it off on my list kind of project, and I love that. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested, again, I will have a link down below where you could purchase this folio. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.